a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you.
So I don't have my sewing machine or fabric, so why not make something out of grass? I collected these yesterday. I was hand picking them yesterday, but decided to like get Marquita's kitchen scissors and just start cutting them. Made it so easy, so much easier. But I'm about to make a skirt out of this, and we'll see how it goes. I don't have any other materials besides grass, just Mother Nature, so we'll see how this goes today. But we're about to head to another park because it's hot and we need some water so they should running on our bodies.